Welcome back. In this lesson, you'll learn how to calculate your daily calorie and macronutrient needs, the foundation for building a personalized and effective meal plan. Understanding these numbers gives you control and clarity over your nutrition, whether your goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or simply maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Let's start with calories. Calories are units of energy. Your body uses them for everything, from breathing and digestion to movement and exercise. The key is to find the right balance, eating enough to fuel your activity without consistently exceeding what your body uses. The first number to calculate is your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. This is how many calories your body burns at rest to keep vital functions running. You can estimate it using the Mifflin-St. Jeor formula. For men, BMR equals 10 times your weight in kilograms plus 6.2, 5 times your height in centimeters, minus 5 times your age, plus 5. For women, BMR equals 10 times your weight in kilograms plus 6.25 times your height in centimeters, minus 5 times your age, minus 161. Once you have your BMR, multiply it by your activity level to get your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. Here's a simple guide. If you're sedentary, multiply by 1. 2. Lightly active, multiply by 1. 375. Moderately active, multiply by 155. Very active, multiply by 1, 725. This number represents how many calories you burn in a typical day. To lose weight, create a small deficit. Aim to eat about 300 to 500 calories less than your TDEE. To gain muscle, add 300 to 500 calories above your TDEE. For maintenance, eat around your calculated total. Now let's talk about macronutrients, protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Each plays a unique role in your body, and getting the right balance is key. Protein supports muscle repair, growth, and satiety. A good starting range is 2 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you're highly active or strength training, aim toward the higher end. Fats are essential for hormone health and brain function. Typically, 20 to 30% of your daily calories should come from fat. To calculate this, multiply your total calories by 0. 25 to get your fat calories, then divide by 9, since each gram of fat provides 9 calories. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred energy source, especially for your brain and workouts. After accounting for protein and fat, the remaining calories go to carbs. Each gram of carbohydrates provides 4 calories. Let's do a quick example. Suppose you're a moderately active person with a TDEE of 2,200 calories. You decide to aim for maintenance. You want 30% protein, 25% fat, and 45% carbs. That equals 660 calories from protein, 550 from fat, and 990 from carbs. Converting to grams, that's about 165 grams of protein, 61 grams of fat, and 248 grams of carbs per day. These numbers don't need to be perfect, they're a framework. What matters most is consistency and awareness. Use these numbers as a starting point and adjust based on how your body feels and responds. If your energy drops or your progress stalls, tweak your intake slightly and reassess after a couple of weeks. A few practical tips. Use an app or food journal to track for a week. You'll start to recognize patterns and portion sizes naturally. Plan your meals around your macros. For example, include protein with every meal, healthy fats in moderation, and mostly complex carbs like oats, quinoa, and vegetables. And don't forget hydration. It supports digestion, energy, and metabolism. Over time, you'll learn to eat intuitively within your target range without needing to track every bite. Remember, your calorie and macro targets are not rigid rules. They're a guide to help you eat with intention. As your activity, goals, or body composition change, revisit your numbers and make small adjustments. In the next lecture, we'll explore the psychology of eating and how to manage cravings, habits, and mindset to stay consistent with your plan. Let's keep going.